Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable sound for notifications from pages you follow on Facebook using your PC. If you've been missing important updates because your notifications are silent, this new update makes it super easy to fix that. Let's jump right in. First, open your preferred browser and go to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the notifications icon. This is where all your recent alerts and updates appear. Next, in the notifications panel, click on the three dots. This will open a small menu with additional options. From there, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can fully customize how you receive notifications on Facebook. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Pages You Follow. This section controls all the alerts coming from pages you've liked or followed. Click into that option and you'll see different notification preferences. Here's the key step. Make sure to enable Allow Notifications on Facebook. This ensures that updates from your followed pages are not only visible but can also come with sound alerts. Once enabled, Facebook will start notifying you with sound whenever there's new activity from those pages, helping you stay updated in real time. And that's it. It only takes a few clicks to make sure you never miss important updates again. If this helped you, don't forget to check out more simple tutorials like this, and stay tuned for the latest updates and tips.